on it and then swing your leg up.
He's going for the run and jump.
Or you can just run into it.
He's having a challenge getting on.
Yeah.
Jake, help him.
Push.
Jake, pull a help him.
Yeah.
Okay. You might want to scoot forward, Aaron. You're really close to the back.
Hold on tight.
All right, go! Jake, walk out.
Yeah, cowboy. I'm gonna fall guard.
Hold on,
Aaron, you
hold
can
on.
last a little longer.
Hold on. Hold on. Did you get a picture? Hurry before he falls off. Oh, you're videoing? Look at his face.
Oh.